Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send your story to a group on Instagram. Whether you want to share a fun moment with friends or keep your group updated, this feature makes it simple. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your feed. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar layout of posts and stories at the top of your screen. Next, it's time to open your story. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the home screen. This will take you directly to your story. If you haven't posted a story yet, feel free to create one by tapping the camera icon and capturing a photo or video. You can also choose from your gallery by swiping up. Once your story is ready, look for the send icon. It looks like a paper airplane and is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that icon and you'll be taken to a list of people and groups you can share your story with. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Scroll through your list of groups, or use the search bar at the top to find the specific group you want to send your story to. Once you've selected the group, you'll see an option to write a message if you want to add a personal touch. This is entirely optional, but it can make your story feel more engaging and tailored for your friends. After you've chosen the group and added any message you'd like, simply click Send. Your story will be shared instantly with everyone in that group, allowing them to view it directly from their chat. And that's it. You've successfully sent your story to a group on Instagram. It's a fantastic way to keep everyone in the loop and share moments that matter most to you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy sharing.